Here at Vision Design, we build quality websites and we specialize in search engine optimization or getting the website to rank well on search engines like Google. In doing so, any potential customer that's looking for the products or services that you sell can find the website and purchase from you. We've been in business over 15 years. We have hundreds of satisfied clients, thousands of well ranking websites, and we've helped our clients generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional sales through the leads that we've generated. We are also a Consumer Choice Award winner for multiple years for our commitment to high quality customer service. How do we achieve such great results? Well, there are three requirements for good search engine optimization. One, follow Google's rules. Two, search engine optimize content. Or three, linking for popularity, which is also the most important. What do we mean by follow Google's rules? Google wants to optimize for their user experience. So when users are using their search engine, they want to make sure that they get the best results possible. An example of that being most searches today are done on mobile devices. So if the website does not load well on a mobile device, obviously that's bad for Google and they're going to penalize it. So we make sure all of the sites are optimized for mobile experience. Another example would be unique content. Google does not want a bunch of copied and pasted websites over and over again with the same stuff on them. That would not be good for the user experience. So we make sure that all our sites are hand built from scratch by us and our team. We have no duplication of code. Another example being fast load times. Users want websites that load quickly, obviously. So we use local servers and optimized coding to make sure that the sites load fast. Second one is keyword research and selection. So Google actually has a keyword planner, and you can look at what users are typing in when they're looking for various services and products. You can see here on the left some keywords that they've typed in, some phrases, so painting company, wall painting, bathtub paint, etc. And you can see the number of searches per month. So while we're building the website, we actually make sure to implement these keywords and phrases into the site so that when Google is scanning our site, it looks like you are the expert in those areas. Here's an example of a site that we've built for one of our painting clients. You can see it says painting a bunch of times. So when Google takes a look at our site, they're going to go, hey, these guys are experts at painting. I'm going to serve it up for anyone that's looking for painting in that area. So number three, linking for popularity. So what do we mean by that? Google needs to know that you're popular. If you take a look at this on the left, it's very similar to real life, where the popularity of a person is based on how many other people know about them. With websites, the popularity of a website is based on how many other websites know about that website. Google makes that determination based on links. So when other websites are linking to your website, Google views that as an endorsement that your website is credible and that it is popular and it should rank better. Now, this is a simplified example of it, but that's basically how it works. Also, the popularity of the sites that are pointing to your website is important. So the more popular those sites are, the more popular your site will be as well. We have thousands of sites that are ranking well on Google right now. We can use those links to help push and promote any site that we build, which is why we are so good at getting sites ranking well on Google and helping our clients generate hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales from the leads that come in through Google searches. So we're going to go over a few case studies that will talk about some of our clients and the success that they've had in having their websites built by us, as well as promoted using search engine optimization. So the first one is Passata Painting, and all of these case studies are representative of the first year that we had the sites running, okay? So in year one, we generated them over 150 new leads and over $175,000 in additional revenue. The largest project out of those was $130,000. We targeted 5 new geographic areas. And again, all of these sites, we can prove that the leads came from our sites because when the leads come in on our contact form, you will know it came from our site and from our search engine optimization efforts. Second company that we're going to look at is Viridian Water Systems, over 50 new clients in year one, over $250,000 in additional revenue in year one, and $48,000 was their largest project out of those. This is a rubber and sponge company that we have as a client, over $500,000 in new sales. $250,000 was the largest project completed out of those. Bassa Metal Roofing is a metal roofing company. They do residential and commercial. Over 200 new leads were generated in year one and over $500,000 in additional revenue. Okay, so we're going to jump on Google here and do some live searches so that you can see where our clients are ranking. So we've got a few different industries. I wanted to show you that the principles apply to all of them. So usually at the top here, we have some ads. Every time those are clicked, those companies are actually paying money. So that's not where we are. We're in the organic section. So right here, you can see Metal Roofing Hamilton, Bassa Metal Roofing. This is one of the testimonials we had. Made them over $500,000 in year one. The next industry I'd like to show you is painting. So again, we got some Google Maps listings. Very first listing though for commercial painting and industrial painting in Calgary, our client. What else have we got? We've got an insulation company. So again, here ranking number one. You can see for spray foam, blown in, attic insulation, all kinds of different stuff, residential and commercial. And this is an epoxy floor coatings client of ours. He does industrial, commercial, residential, all kinds of different stuff. Makes lots of money from the leads that we generate. Again, because when people are searching on Google for these services, because our companies are ranking high up, they're more likely to be clicked and more likely to receive a request for a quote from a customer. So in conclusion, what do we do to be successful? Well, we research specific industries and geographic areas to ensure success. So we use tools like the Google Keyword Planner to actually look at what is the search volume like and what are they exactly looking for, potential customers, so we can design a custom-built website, no templates, that is catering to what those customers are looking for. We get the sites ranking well on Google for those particular search terms. And in turn, those customers can contact you through the form. You can see here, we've got an example picture, a couple of our clients ranking well, and you can see the effect it would have. Obviously, think of your own search habits when you're using Google. You're more likely to click the first few results. Very rarely does anyone go to page 2, page 3, etc. If you're interested in having a discussion about your situation and seeing if we can help, please fill out the contact form on our site or give us a call. Be more than happy to have a discussion with you. And we look forward to speaking with you and hope you have a great day.